Today we are going to be unboxing my wig from Wow Angel, so stay tuned. You've seen from the beginning of the video, inside there is a wig, a very cute pink and black Wow Angel headband, and 2 hair clippers, and this beautiful customized Wow Angel HD wig cap. And inside this wig cap there are 2 pieces, which is cute, and this is maybe their company guideline, and if you want to keep in touch with them, you can always go through the handbook to see more details. So here's the wig. Wow, the feel of the hair is beautiful. I haven't even taken it out yet, but the feel is really beautiful. Wow. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at the hair. I haven't even combed it yet. So it does look 30-inch to me. Let's feel the hair. It is, it is 250% density. And oh yeah, this is a 5x5 frame. This is how it looks like. This is a 5x5 frame. And let's see about the HDness of the lace. Girl, oh my god, look at this, guys. This is the HD lace. Do you see that? It is invisible, you can barely see it. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw the wig on my head. But let's go ahead and open the HD wig cap. Look at this. We are going to go ahead and open it. I cannot believe there are 2 pieces in here because of how thin it looks like from the inside. But let's just open to make sure that we are seeing clearly. Oh my god, it looks so beautiful. I want to show you guys the wig cap. Sorry. I want to show you guys the wig cap. Look at that.
Unbelievable.
Look at how invisible the HD wig cap looks. So beautiful. And of course, I'm gonna put it on my head right now. I'm not going to cut it or anything because, you know, right now I'm not going anywhere. So I'm not going to be installing the wig in a proper way. I'm just going to show you guys how the hair looks like and how the HD lace shows on the hair. Inside the wig there is this beautiful band that allows you to wear the wig in 3 seconds. We're also gonna check that. So this is like 1 second, 2 seconds, 3. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Should I cut the lace also? Oh, my phone is making noise, guys. I'm sorry. Let me put it on silence. Okay. So yeah, what do you guys think? Should I cut the lace on the camera so that everybody can just see the final results? Girl, look at the HD. Look at the lace. Look at the lace. Look at the lace. Look at the lace. And this is 30 inches long of hair. I'm just gonna try to get up so that you guys can see where the where the hair ends. Look at this. You can't even see it. Let me go a little bit further. Look at that hair. Oh, I'm liking it. Oh my god, I'm just so excited about this hair. This is hair, guys. This is a crazy hair. Look, it's so beautiful. You can see and you can actually tell from the looks of things that I'm so happy about this hair. Guys, you can see how happy I am with this beautiful hair. If anyone wondering the quality of hair Wow Angel used to make their wigs, they use 100% human natural hair, as you can see. So if anyone is interested to get some for themselves, I'm going to leave the info down in the description. And you know, I know there are influencers out there. If you're interested to collab, also let us know. You can always go into their website and contact the customer service for collabs. You know, this is such a big company. They are based in China, and if you want to work together with them, they are open to you guys to always reach out. Sure, it's time to close the video, but I just want to say, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. Let other people know about Wow Angel so that they can also slay some really good hair from China. Oh, another thing I forgot to mention is that they ship worldwide. So wherever you are, honey, you are not anywhere too far for them to ship. So see you. Mwah.